If your Ram 3500 is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, don't rush to the shop just yet. Statistically, the vast majority of these connectivity dropouts are just temporary software glitches. Let's walk through the exact steps to restore your connection. Start with the basics by swapping your cable and ensuring the phone port is clean. If that fails, delete the pairing profile from both your truck and your phone entirely. Ensure both your Uconnect system and your iPhone are running the latest available firmware. Most issues are home fixes, but a damaged USB module will require a dealer visit. As you can see, cables are overwhelmingly the most common point of failure. A hard reset of the Uconnect unit often clears out persistent communication errors. Keep a high-quality cable in your truck to avoid these issues in the future. Remember, if a brand new cable and a system reset don't fix it, hardware is likely to blame. If this guide solved your CarPlay connection issues, hit that like button and subscribe for more RAM tips.